that time of the year again. The first day of classes is tomorrow, at least where I work, so I figured I'd share some study tips. First of all, come to class ready to pay attention and take notes. Don't just mess around the whole time, really pay attention. If your notes that you took in class were kind of messy, you can always go back and write them again. This will make it easier to study too. And going along with the notes theme, I would suggest using different color pens or pencils to take your notes, and don't be afraid to highlight. You can really get creative with this, so you can use different colors for like heading versus bullet points, or like green for positive and red for negative, just whatever works for you. So next, you'll want to start studying in advance and really give yourself enough time to understand the material and prepare for the test. And this next part will help you get organized and make a plan for studying and have a general idea of what to even study. So you'll want to look over the material that was covered, that'll be on the test, and then just make a nice table of contents for what those topics are. So once you have those themes all listed out, you can plan like what days you're going to spend studying which things. So in this example, like Monday would be chapter 1, section 1, Tuesday would be chapter 1, section 2, and so on. And speaking of time, if you're in school or college or anything like that, you might feel like you're very busy and maybe you only have like 15-minute time chunks here or there throughout the day. And I would say use that time, use whatever time you have. 15 minutes might not feel like much, but it's still better than nothing. Even just skimming the book or flipping through your notes or going through and highlighting things, that can still make a difference. So use that time wisely. If this is like a math class or a science class or some class with a lot of like problems you have to solve, then I would say practice them and really get the problem solving down. And concept maps are a great way to kind of draw out the ideas and look at how they relate to each other. Also, feel free to be creative with these, use different colors, shapes, whatever helps you. Another approach is you could take a video of yourself talking about the material and then go back and watch and listen to that video. So this is something that really helped me. I'm not sure if gum or lotion is allowed in your classroom, but if it is, you might want to try using a scented lotion or chewing a certain flavor of gum while you're studying, and then using the same thing as you take the test. It really helped me remember a lot of information. And the final tip I have is don't try to do it all on your own. Like, don't feel bad about reaching out to others, whether you're asking your teacher questions or making a study group with your peers. As long as you feel comfortable, just don't be afraid to ask for help, because somebody might understand something that you don't, and you might understand something that they don't. We're all in this together. This isn't really a study tip, just a general tip. Make sure you're taking care of yourself, getting enough sleep, eating right, getting some activity. This will just help you succeed with your classes and in general. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Have a nice day. Bye.